Here at Two Trees Olive Oil, we also have a small retail area where we offer our olive oil at a cash and carry basis. People can come in, buy our oil, and leave. To do this scenario, you can create a sales receipt for the customer. That's a means of making the transaction and getting the payment at the same time. You're not sending out an invoice, mailing it, or emailing it to them and waiting for the payment. Everything happens all at once. To accomplish this, on the home page, click Create Sales Receipts. The first thing that I'll do is select the customer. If it's a walk-in brand new customer, you can always click Add New, but in this case, I'll pick an existing regular customer. You can select their payment method, in this case, check. I can also click the down arrow next to More Payments and choose things such as gift cards. I can also click to add a new method. I can change the date or the sell to address, and I can also add a check number. Now I can start line iteming all the things that they're buying. I can choose the product, adjust the quantity, and add more. When I'm all done, I can choose their sales tax rate and finally a customer message. I can print them a receipt by clicking Print and then Sales Receipt from the top of the screen. When I'm all done, I'll click Save and Close at the bottom. I'm going to stop doing spell checking, so for now, I'm going to click Options and then uncheck Always Check Spelling, just so that stops popping up on us all the time. I'll click OK, and now I'll click Close. We've created our first sales receipt. I've done the same 2 steps as if I created an invoice first and then received the payment. Let's go back into our chart of accounts. If I look at my undeposited funds account, I can see that the balance total is a little bit higher than it was before in a previous video. I'll double-click on this to open up the check register. Here is where I can see all of my undeposited funds. I had that first check from Callie Reynolds in which we received the payment from an earlier invoice in the last video. And here's my cash and carry from Hunter Newton. I'll close out of this by clicking the X on the top right-hand side. I'll close out of the chart of accounts, and I've successfully processed a walk-in sale.